Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an ice cream on Dress to Impress. So get the fur hat here. I'm just going to color it this color. You can use any color you want. I just like the swirls. Also, you need VIP for this. So for this one, position it at 0.33 and then the Z at 0.66. Rotate it at 0 for the X rotation and turn it up to 1. Get this pirate's hat. So you're going to color it this brown and like a darker brown. And then for this one, you're going to position the Y at 0 and then the X at 0 to create kind of like a cone base. Then if you want to add in like the strawberry toppings, you can get this and then color it all red. And then you're going to position the X at 0.15 and then rotate the Z at 0.26. Then scale it all the way to 1. Okay. I think I need to put this down a little bit more. Like here, and then get this and then color it red and green, and then I'm going to position it at 0.15 and then 0.26. I think I did the other one wrong. Hold on, let me adjust that. Okay, 0.23 and then 0.33 and then 0.50, rotate it at 0.26 and scale it to 1. Okay, there we go. If you want to add more toppings, you could. Like, maybe you can add flowers. I don't know why you would add flowers though. Maybe you can use this as like a chocolate frosting. Honestly, just use your imagination. You can also have it like another ice cream on top if you'd like to. Let me find a like radial color. Maybe this. I don't know, it's totally up to you what you want to do to your ice cream. You can color it like foil. And then use like this chocolate for like a chocolate sauce. Maybe make it like downwards a little bit. And then you can add a cherry on top. You can add these. I've seen people use this for like chocolate wafers or something. Just rotate that to, oops, the right. Maybe add foil. I don't know. It's up to you. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!